Today I will show you another accessory for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this one is the stand, so rubber stand. Okay, so it's very convenient to use, so and also easy to carry. Very small, rubber, and actually there's a hole here for the USB. So okay, I'll try it now. So this one goes here. So there's a USB Type-C here, so it goes with this part, so the hole, so you can still charge when you are using the stand. So now it's quite good, so it won't just fall down, because before it's not really stable, so it might fall because of the rounded edge. So this one is more stable. Okay, so really nice to have accessory for this camera. Again, thank you for watching.